1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's a man who loves ideas, but hates what they mean for him. Stand back and admire his wants and desires, live on that marked by the moon. His smile, seal of vision, separate freedom to act. Cold, naked love of ambition, the comfort it leaves in its track. I hope for small mercy. I hope for small mercy. In a world that knows forgiveness, tells himself all of the time, forgiven with grace, conceded in haste, no act can betray true desire. But the truth is an odd shape and feeling, and it lumps in the back of the throat. When ideas and thoughts are set freely, reasons that feel